Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn on App Store password on iPhone. So if at the end of this, found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, if you want your App Store to require for your password, before you can download and install any application on your iPhone, you need to turn on App Store password on your iPhone. To do this, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. On the settings, locate and click on your profile name. Once you click on your profile name, scroll down and click on Media and Purchases. Then should say Sign Out, Password Settings, View Account, and Cancel. Go ahead and click on Password Settings. Once you click on Password Settings, locate and turn on Require Password, that is for download. And after that, click on the check mark at top right. Now go ahead and sign into your Apple ID account. After that, you'll be prompted to type in your password when next you want to download or install any application from App Store on your iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.